Hi guys, we will discuss about one new project which name is CryptoStake. CryptoStake is a good concept for this project. This project is feasible and an active team to invest your money and get profits in the future. CryptoStake is the most wonderful project in 2021. I advise to everyone, please join this project. First of all, we will discuss about of this CryptoStake, and the second one is futures. Number 3, tokenomics, roadmap, team, and how to buy of this stake. CryptoStake tokens. This is the white paper of this CryptoStake project. You give more information to click there and easily receive more information about this project. One pager, audit, GitHub, and watch. Scroll down to we will show a pre-sale starting in buy now to click there and easily to join a pre-sale. Welcome to CryptoStake ecosystem. CryptoStake ecosystem is one of the wonderful ecosystem. CryptoStake project is a very interesting and much promising, and I support this platform for a long time. Welcome. The ecosystem is most wonderful ecosystem, and he is perform a very excellent, and his team work is hard and planned work. Many rating sites show excellent rating. You can join the platform without hesitation. Scroll down to you see a CryptoStake token. CryptoStake token is one of the wonderful token in of all projects. This project looks great, and I am sure that the company will achieve great results. The company is unique and great products. Very talented people are making this project. So this token is very wonderful. Everyone mentioned everything mentioned there, to please read and understand this tokens history. Key features: efficiency, trust, transparency, security. This is the features of this project, who give us security, trust, 100% trust, efficiency, transparency, everything, every facility give his member. Information: pre-sale 20 September 2021, pre-sale, and public sale is October 2021, and token information is ticker CST, total supply is that, and the blockchain is BSC BP20. Fund allocation is that development 40%, 30% marketing, 12% legal, 12% operation, airdrop, etc. are the more best project of 2021. And this is the allocation of this project. Roadmap: this is the roadmap of CryptoStake. April 2021, July 2021, September 2021, October 2021. It is the public sale began, private sale, all the futures who come in some days will mention there, and easily understand of this CryptoStake missions. This CryptoStake is a very cool idea and cool mission. They achieve a few days a high rank in all projects. So this is the BC and BP20 stand token. This use this address, and scroll down we will see a supported by coin traffic, coin ranking, B in crypto news. Every big channels are support of this project. Blockchains are support. Team members: Joe, Regina, Renault, Lon Hollingworth is the best of best. Gary Pemberton, it is the very best director of this project, and his work is very best. So this is the social media links of this project, and enter your email to subscribe. Do not miss any update come to this project. About this project we will notification to subscribe this email and subscribe this project. this the social media links. We will easily to contacts of this members to the social media. Thank you very much.